how to buy V-Bucks on the Epic Games website. So you want to Google search for Epic Games Store V-Bucks and open up the first website that pops up right here. Now make sure you are logged into your account here in the top right, and then you will be able to see all of the different amounts of V-Bucks. So you can buy 1,000, 200, 2,800, 5,000 and 1,300. 13,500. So what you want to do is select the amount of V-Bucks that you want to purchase. For example, I'll do this middle one here, so 2,800, and you can choose these options, either buy now, add to cart, or you can add this to your wish list. It's going to show you that you can buy these V-Bucks, which are in-game currency and can be spent in Fortnite. So if you click on buy now, it's going to take you to the order page here. It is going to ask you for the payment method, so you can use credit card or PayPal. Here you just gotta confirm your information and click on place order, and this is how you purchase the V-Bucks. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.